Modal auxiliaries. Among modals, there are different shades. The way you look at the pencils, the color pencils here, there are varieties of colors here. In the similar way, there are varieties of modal auxiliaries. All modal auxiliaries are not one and the same. Will is different from can, and can is different from may, and may is different from might, so on and so forth. Today, let us learn more about these modal auxiliaries. We use modal when we want to talk about that we are going to do it now or that we will do it later. Or when we want to speak about our decisions, modesty, skills, abilities, or will is especially used to indicate about one's habits, inclinations, willingness, or about intentions, determination, promise, and to indicate future time. So we have to practice this with P and I. Then only we can have proficiency. Therefore, this is termed as future. So let's begin the class now. What will you do this evening? ಇವತ್ತು ಸಾಯಂಕಾಲ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀಯಾ? So we will be using the word will when we want to say about something that happens in future. What is your plan for the next year? So you will say, I'll do this, I'll do that, etc. for both the questions. Observe how meaning changes in this set. She cooked well that day. She always cooks well. She will cook well in future. There are three sentences here. The first one is in the past tense. It says, she cooked well that day. ಅವತ್ತು ಅವಳು ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಅಡುಗೆ ಮಾಡಿದ್ಲು. She always cooks well. ಅವಳು ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಮಾಡ್ತಾಳೆ. She will cook well in future. ಅಂದರೆ ಈ ಹಿಂದೆ ಆಗಲಿ ಇವತ್ತಾಗಲಿ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಅಡುಗೆ ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ, ಕಲಿತಾಳೆ, ಮುಂದೆ ಅಡುಗೆ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಮಾಡ್ತಾಳೆ. So this is how, if we want to speak about our intentions, if our intentions belong to past tense, we have to use first type of sentence. If what we want to say is about something which is always right, we have to use the second type of sentence. And we are hopingly saying something about future, we can use the third type of sentence. I'm going to. This is how we listen sometimes. I'm gonna. So this gonna means I am going to. I'm gonna ask him. I'm gonna be a doctor. I'm gonna play chess. I'm gonna start a preschool. I'm gonna sing a song. I'm gonna dance now. So this is how we speak about what we are going to do after some time. I'm gonna cancel the order. I'm gonna buy TV. I'm gonna settle down. I'm gonna resign my job. I'm gonna run. I'm gonna vacate the house. I'm gonna help you out. Observe how meaning changes in this set. Will, would, shall, should, can, could, may, might, must, had to, want to, have to, used to, ought to. Look at how the meaning changes. If you say will, it is got something to something, and if you use would, there is a difference. When you want to speak something about past, you would use would, or when you want to be little softer, you will be using would or could, such type of words. For habits, we use will. Inclinations, willingness, intentions, determination, promise, decision, for all these reasons, we use will. For modesty, we use would. Skills, can or could. Abilities, can or could. Necessities, must. Permission, may. Possibility, may. Advice, should. Notice how will is different from the remaining. So if you want to be little softer, to say modestly, and you will be using would. So skills and abilities, necessities and permissions, possibilities, advice. So ವ್ಯತ್ಯಾಸಗಳನ್ನು ಗಮನಿಸಬೇಕು ನಾವು. They express the speaker's willingness. I will take a chance. Intention, I'll go to a movie. Determination, I'll get above 95%. ವಿಲ್ಲಿಂಗ್ನೆಸ್, ಇಂಟೆನ್ಷನ್, ಡಿಟರ್ಮಿನೇಷನ್ ಯಾವುದೇ ಇರಲಿ ವಿಲ್ ಅನ್ನು ನಾವು ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಪ್ರಾಮಿಸ್ ವಿಲ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ, ಪ್ಲಾನ್ ವಿಲ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ, ಡೆಸಿಷನ್ ವಿಲ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ನಥಿಂಗ್ ಇಸ್ ಸೆಡ್ ಅಬೌಟ್ ದ ಟೈಮ್ ಇನ್ ಫ್ಯೂಚರ್. ಯಾವಾಗ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ಅದನ್ನ ಏನು ಹೇಳೋದಿಲ್ಲ, ಆದರೆ ಇವೆಲ್ಲವನ್ನು ನಾವು ಫ್ಯೂಚರ್ಗೆ ಸಂಬಂಧಪಟ್ಟ ಹಾಗೆ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಪ್ರಾಮಿಸ್, ಪ್ಲಾನ್, ಡೆಸಿಷನ್, ಎವ್ರಿಥಿಂಗ್ ಈಸ್ ಅಬೌಟ್ ಸಮಥಿಂಗ್ ಅಬೌಟ್ future. You see the future and plan the present.
Like, share, subscribe.